Well guys, it's the 2018 Halloween special, and this year I am actually going to enter a contest. The Dirty Smith, if y'all haven't heard of him, you should go watch him. He's a very entertaining blacksmith. He's a funny guy. But anyway, he has issued the 2018 Dirty Smith Zombie Weapons Challenge. So the idea is to forge at least some part of the weapon that you create to help you survive a zombie apocalypse. So I am going to make one, and I'm doing a bit of forging in it. So I got 12 pieces that have to be forged. But they're all the same, so it shouldn't be too hard. And then, yeah. So, well, and I'd like to apologize. I'm normally the guy that I try to get out a video a week, and I've gone like 3 weeks without one, so I apologize. We've been winterizing here on the farm, and it's been a little hectic, and I haven't gotten to get the cameras out and do anything. But I've got a couple of pieces of iron in the fire, in the forge, and I'm going to get going on this thing. So, in the infamous words of Rory, who is the Dirty Smith, let's do this! So here we go. It's time to smash some pumpkins. I didn't have any zombies, so we had to compromise here. But I'm going to get the club, turn on about 3 different cameras, and give you some real good footage of it smashing pumpkins. Oh yeah, you haven't seen it all done. Got it painted, screwed it onto the handle, and then oiled the handle. So now we're ready to find out if it'll put a hole in a pumpkin. Well, there we go. A bunch of little bits and pieces all left. I'm not going to bother cleaning it up because the raccoons out here will take care of it. But I did want to let y'all know, A, have a happy Halloween, have a safe one. And B, if you would like to help support my channel directly, if you're watching this on a PC, then right below the video on the YouTube channel screen, there should be a list of my new merchandise. Got t-shirts and sweatshirts and coffee mugs and what was the other one? Phone cases. And a little bit of the money when you buy one of those comes to me so that I can actually help support my channel. So if you get into that, I would appreciate it. Also, right now, I'm going to run a promotion on it from now till Halloween, or through Halloween. If you put in a promo code of zombie, you get 15% off. So yeah, we're going to do that for the zombie video and give everybody a chance to get some stuff a little cheaper. And I have stickers on there, so you can get those too. Anyway, thanks guys. Hopefully have another video up in a week this time.